What's up? I'm Hunter Hornstein. This is Ryan Cannella. And this is Season 2 of the show to be named later, presented by the Market Common. Today, we're going to be Mario Kart racing around Market Common. We're going to bring in a couple of our friends.
Select your player. Here we go.
I'm the best.
Let's go.
In true Mario Kart fashion, we'll need something to race with, so we're stopping by Pedigo Electric Bikes, which offers electric bike rentals for 1, 3, or 8 hours with 3 different styles of bikes.
We'll race our bikes to different places in Market Common and compete against each other to complete each challenge presented. First stop is Yoga in Common, where we have to master a yoga pose challenge.
Hey everyone, Danielle here at Yoga in Common. I'm so excited to be doing yoga with Mario and his friends.
Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome to yoga. I'm so excited you're here today. We're going to start in a nice comfy seat, so come on down to your mat. Slide your leg back, side plank. So you can drop bottom elbow. Now lift that lower belly off your legs, lift your chin and your heart. Lift your heels. Flatten your back and you release your arms out to airplane wings as you tuck your chin. Beautiful. Climb to the sky, pretty bird. Inhale as the arms reach up nice and high. Full breath in, full breath out. And we're slowly going to curl ourselves up as we reach the right arm back. Beautiful. Yes. Okay. We're going to go back into a recline split. Hammer the kneecaps. Okay. We're going to rock back and forth. So come up and back, up and back. So from here, Mario can rock up. You've completed your yoga challenge. Come back through center on your inhale. On your exhale, you can move to the left. Yoshi has also completed his yoga challenge. And slowly curl yourself up. Inhale, the arms reach. On your exhale, hands to your heart. Luigi has completed his yoga challenge. Inhale, the arms reach up. Big stretch overhead. On your exhale, hands to your heart, take a nice deep breath. May you go in peace, Toad. Namaste.
We're off to the next challenge. I'm riding in first, Yoshi is in second, Luigi in third, and Toad in dead last.
It's time to get our dance on at Coastal Dance Center.
My name is Missy Liza. I'm a teacher here with Coastal Dance Center, and today we'll be teaching a Grand Allegro ballet combination, which is just part of a class, and we will make sure that they do it until it meets our standards. And 6, and 7, and 8, and to the corner, and 1, and stop, and jump, and 2, 7, and right left. There you go. And make sure you hold this at the end. Very important. Very good. And 8. And turn back. Part of it right. Good inside. So shut. And arrows. And step. Step towards your turn. And step. Ooh, I think that needs one more time. One more time. 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And turn back. Other way. Right. Stop. So shut. And arrows. Yeah, through the and step. Yeah, that was better. Good job. Yeah. And step again. And 6, and 7, and 8, and turn back. Are you ready? Please stop. So to shut. And up. And step. And 8, and step. Oh, there you go. Very good. Good job. And step. 5. And begin to the back, and up, and corner, and 2, please stop, so shot, and airbus, step, step, push and step. Take one more time. and air bust up, and corner, and switch it, and hold. There you go, very good. 7 and 8 and top back. Good. Step, top back. Air bust, step, and rotate, and hold. Yeah. And in first place we have Yoshi.
Yoshi takes the lead, winning the dance challenge. Luigi is now in second. Mario falls to third, and we're just not going to talk about how I'm doing.
My name is Jessica Gregory. Today we are at EdVenture Myrtle Beach, and we will be playing a life-size astronaut operation.
The goal is to take all the body parts out without touching the sides. Whoever gets the most wins. After 3 challenges, Luigi is now in first, I'm in second place, Toad is finally somewhere other than last, and Yoshi is in fourth. It's on to the final challenge at Stage Left Theater Company.
Welcome to Stage Left Theater Company, your place for live theater right here in Market Common. For today's challenge, you get to show me you have what it takes to make it in the theater.
This one was tough. Acting is a lot harder than it looks, even tougher when everyone is laughing at you dressed like Mario Kart characters.
Bigger! Who's scared? More, really feel it. Get into your character. Pure terror. Good job. Next! Show me angry. Show me real anger. Grr. Show me heartbreak. Pure heartbreak. Peach doesn't love you anymore. Good, now you're excited. You're excited. You're excited. You're ready to go. You're ready to go. Now you're late. You're late. You're late. Oh, you really are late. Go, go, go. Next. Show me scared. Show me frightened. Show me true fear. Now joy. Pure unadulterated. You're at Disneyland. Now, surprised. Oh my gosh, it's Christmas morning. You got so many presents. All right, that'll do. You get the part. Next. All right, show me happy. Give me a big smile. Big cry, baby. Aww. You're excited. You're excited. Now you're late. You're late. You're late for a very. Oh, you are late. Get out of here. Go, go, go. You've all done very well. But here's the cast list. Leading player, Mario. Supporting player, Luigi. Background, Yoshi. Backstage, Toad.
We could have done this all day, but shout out to Yoga in Common, Coastal Dance Center, EdVenture, and Stage Left for their challenges as part of the Mario Kart race.
Thank you, Market Common, for having us out. That was Mario Kart Racing. Congrats to Mario on your victory.
Thanks so much, Toad. For Kristin Call, for Yoshi, Sammy, Parnell, and for Ryan Cannell, I'm Hunter Hornstein. This has been the show to be named later, presented by the Market Common.